Yeah! You ready for game day? My name's Alberti, and I'm going to show you how to create the perfect party for all your guests for watching any game. It's game day! Party penalty number 1, incomplete formation. You gotta have a plan. First things first, all great parties begin with a great plan. Think of it as your playbook. How many guests are you going to invite? You want to make sure that they all have a place to sit and congregate and that everyone's comfortable. You want to know what kind of food you're serving. And then, of course, the perfect beverages to pair with what you're serving. All of those things are essential, and that's the first step to throwing any party. Party penalty number 2, not enough players on the field. You have to delegate. Parties, they're a team sport. Everyone wants to participate. You're gonna want to delegate. You're gonna go and set up our beverage station. You're gonna go and set up our snack station over here for the kids. You're gonna set up our coffee table where we're gonna hang out for the game. Why me? Party penalty number 3. Space interference. Create your zones. First zones first. We're gonna talk about the place where everybody's gonna watch the game and hang out. Coffee table and the couch. Make it inviting. It can have tons of personality. Give some snacks, but also leave plenty of room for drinks and appetizer plates. Keep a beverage station close by so that everyone has their favorite drink handy and you don't have crossing routes during the game. Next up, we're going to our second zone. This one is the concession stand. And so we started off by using a shelving system that allows us to tier off all of our different food and beverages. I decided to put our beverage dispenser right up top so that if you're creating that signature fourth down punt for everybody to enjoy, they have easy access. Next, we decided to put all of our top shelf liquor so that if anybody wants to make cocktails, they can do that. On our third shelf, we decided to go snack attack. So right in the center, we've got our Cal Zone Defense. All of the different things that people nosh on, that's gonna be on that shelf. Next shelf, we decided to put all of our silverware, our plateware, and our dishes out. And then last but not least, give them a bucket with the beers and everything that they're gonna be grabbing. Whether it's a shelving unit, a side table, or your kitchen counter, you always wanna create a go-to place for your food and your beverages for your guests. How about a zone for the kids? Why not use the couch table as the perfect zone for that? Today, we're serving lemonade or punch on one side of the couch table, and then right over here, grab and go snacks. Now we're in the end zone, which is gonna be your selfie zone. We went all out. We took some PVC piping, put it together, painted it, got letters from the craft store, and made it a fun theme. But you can do something just as simple as hanging up your favorite team's flag or a poster. All your guests and friends are gonna take great photos, hang out together, post pictures on social media, and make you look like the MVP host with the most.